Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. This time we're demonstrating an AM 8-track out of a 70 Mercury Cougar. It's now an AM FM 8-track with Bluetooth and a heck of a lot more output power because the customer went with a new harness instead of the original connectors. And so we're here to make sure everything works before you send her back. So I've got it set to AM to the one strong station I get. Let's go ahead and turn her on.
Tools and pull your own parts.
And while we've got it on talk radio, we'll demonstrate the balance and fader functions.
Rid of your unwanted vehicle.
Okay, left, right, balance.
No hassles.
All the way left.
How to get it to us.
Right.
Open 7 days a week.
Left.
Flagstaff and
Right.
Prescott Valley or online at
Okay, center. Okay, now I'm going to activate the virtual front rear fader.
az.com. Take you in a quick
Fader adjust.
Okay, so now the same knob is adjusting our front rear speaker balance all the way front,
Standard
all the way
Doc
rear,
is family-owned business. We offer a
front,
high level of detail and
rear.
care
Okay,
when
I'm gonna
drafting
center
legal
them.
documents such as deeds, wills, and trusts.
Fader set.
Attorney.
Okay, let's move over to FM, which we do by
Understanding
turning the radio off, then right back on within about half a second. So off, on. Okay, now we're on the FM band. I have all 5 presets set to stations in my area for a quick test.
You leave the beer in the can.
Okay, let's try the 8-track. Got some Neil Sedaka here.
Don't untrack, gotta travel up to you. Up and live to the blue. And we're playing like we never said. Mix, I said that now.
Alrighty, pull the tape out, the radio comes back, and I've already tested the dial light. It's such a faint green glow that you can't see it on camera, so I'm not going to try showing it to you, but I know that it worked. I replaced it and all that cool stuff. So she's ready to go back to the customer, and I'm ready to get on to the next job. This comes from Ben in Canton, Michigan. Thank you so much, Ben, for your business from about 3/4 of the way across the country, quite a distance between Michigan and Arizona. And so to reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below, and please download and print the work order before calling me with a bunch of questions, because the work order has all my options, prices, turn times, and you have to print one and fill it out to include with the radio anyway. So go ahead and make that the first step towards finding out my prices and options and turn times. Once you have a work order in your hand, I'm happy to talk to you about anything else. So thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you, Ben, again, from your business all the way from Canton, Michigan, and we'll see you guys next time.